Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Canberra. Ayan, dito yung area ng Canberra. So this is our place where we're gonna stay for 3 days. Ito. Guys, for your accommodation, you can check Agoda, Booking.com, and Klook, no? Ang Agoda at saka yung Booking.com is more of hotels, and then the Klook is more of parang in general siya. If you want to buy passes sa mga tourist attraction dito, meron sa Klook, and meron din sila mga hotel doon and transportation. You can buy it there. Saka alam nyo guys, yung pagkain sa Singapore, napakasarap talaga. Lahat sobrang sarap. Pag nandito ka, hindi mo mararamdaman yung presyo kasi nga, ang mga price mga $7, $6. Pero pag i-convert mo, medyo mahal din nga naman yun. No, kasi alam nyo naman, Singaporean dollars yung ginagamit dito. The which is very close to USD. Pero grabe, pag nakain mo naman talagang sulit na sulit yung bayad. Yung talagang sobrang sarap. As in, masarap talaga. And that's one thing na siguro babalikan ko talaga sa Singapore kasi ang sarap talaga ng food, as in, ang sarap. And of course, yung place nila, it's very clean. Bawal po magdumi dito, bawal lang chewing gum, bawal lang magkalat, bawal din uminom ata sa mga train stations. Yes. Wait lang, tawag ako. Yes, ano yun? Star! I-enjoy ko sa swimming, guys. Ayun. So actually, this is our third day here in Singapore, pero ito yung pinaka day na parang medyo relax ako. So I will bring you on my daily tours. I will post some of my mga ganap dito sa TikTok and a few pictures in Instagram. So sana mapanood nyo, you can like those pictures. Ayun, and thank you guys, I love you. Today is our day 2 of our Singaporean trip. Medyo naglalakad kami, maulan-ulan. So ito po yung weather. Kapag today is, wait, hold on. Ano ngayon month? October. Pag October, medyo maulan-ulan. Winning pa kami ng palis kami ng... Sabi, anong gusto mong sabihin? Aray ko, baba.
Di naman masyadong maulan sa Singapore.
Ano lang, ambon lang.
Oo, like baby rain.
Baby! Wait lang, makasama namin si Tita Ira. Ayan sa likod. Ayan siya.
So, hindi ko na kailangan.
See you girls! See you guys! Bye! We are now here at the train station. So from Canberra going to Universal Studios or Sentosa. Ano ba yun? Anong bababaan? Diba? So check na namin guys, hindi namin sure. May makakarating kami for sure. That's for sure. Okay, so from Canberra, going to Dobigot, and now we're going to Harbour Front. Here at Harbour Front. Ayan guys. Lapit na tayo sa Universal Studios. Parang airport here. So from Canberra, going to Dobigot, Harbour Square, Harbour Front, and then Vivo City Mall. Ayan, ang daming tao. And then, ta-transfer na tayo to the tram. So alright guys, we are now here at Vivo City Mall. Ayan, nakakonect yan sa Harbour Front. And of course guys, pag kayo ay naliligaw, ayan, maraming pong mga information na mga ganito dito. Pwede kayong magtanong dyan. And of course, ayan ang Sentosa Express. Yan po ay nasa loob ng Vivo City Mall. Ayan, here's the map naman guys. Ayan, ikot lang kami dito saglit sa loob ng mall. There's another mall actually dito eh. Ayan, sa loob ng Vivo City Mall na nakakonect. Ikot-ikot, check-check. Ayan. Then, bago kami mag-Sentosa, kakain muna tayo for today's video. Thank you, ayan. Yes, please, thank you. Kasama ko medyo pagod na. Yan o. Order namin guys, so ang bongga, tsaka yan o, ang sarap. Wow, sarap. Parang tawag dyan, guys. Bumakas na yung ano ko. Ha? This is the rice noodles. Malambot, masarap. Yung yung beef noodles. And we were going to ride the Sentosa Express going to Universal Studios.
With a huge view.
Yung Sentosa Express. We're here at Sentosa
Wala
Express.
ko mahaw.
Guys, we are here now at Universal! Yay! Grabe, kakatawa.
Gusto ko pumunta sa aquarium.
Yan na siya, oh. Umiikot pala to, guys. Umiikot pala siya. Super ikot.
Ay, hindi.
Saan?
Sa aquarium.
Sige, pupunta natin lahat yan. And of course guys, bago ang lahat, let's do the very iconic Universal Studio pose dito sa globe na ito. Guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, don't ever forget. At hintayin yung umikot yung globe na yan para makuha nyo ang magandang pose. Kailangan at least mabasa yung universe or universal. Ano sana guys, mag-rent ng stroller para kay Felicia ba? We didn't because she's so big for the stroller. Harap ko dito. That's our favorite. Favorite mo yan?
Bibig ko yung white kasi sa
Ang Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty! May picture ka dyan. Ano eh? Ayun na, blue. Printing! Yay! Yay! Show it! Woo! Stop! Tama rin palang pila guys pag hindi kayo naka-express. So may dalawang ticket, merong express tsaka merong regular. So if I were you, I think you choose the express para mas mabilis, mas marami kayong masakyan. So kami ito medyo mahaba yung pila na aming iikutin. Pero mabilis lang naman yan, I believe. Ayan. So now we are now at Spaghetti Space Trace. Dito spaghetti, ano to? Space something. Ayan, sa mga mother, hindi pwede. May heart condition, mga back disorder, motion sickness, hindi pwede. Sensitivity to strobe light, 72 fog, and fear of heights. Pag-isipan nyo kasi hindi daw pwede. Pero di ba ako nakasakay? So, ayan. Oh my God! Felicia, you ready? Let's... Wala pala. Ayun lang. Wala pala.
Save that spaghetti!
That's 4 seconds to countdown.
How did we go up? 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 We went up. How did we go up? We're here at Transformers, right? Yay! Woo! First ride! Woo! Let's go! Look! Woo! After Transformers ride, sobrang ganda as in. I
At
would
saka kakatakot.
siguro one of the best itong rides na yan dito. Tsaka may shop din sila, oh, ayan, mga Transformers.
Lahat ng roll,
Ooh.
mga rides.
Sino ang sigaw ng sigaw sa Transformers ride?
Sila po, si Tyra, tsaka si Mami, puro sigaw.
Ah!
Dayton. Dayton.
Kaya, ang Transformers ride, ayan, sobrang ganda. Muna tayo.
And win the war. The All-Star will be mine. And with it, I will take over your pathetic pride can do to stop me. All hail Lord Megatron!
Parang tayong nasa Egypt naman ngayon, no? Egypt, Egypt. Super ganda. Ito. Guys, oh. Super ganda. Driver of the year. Galing! Driver kasi yes. There you go.
Guys, hospitality horror. Let's go. You ready? Ah, parang wala naman sa kanya. Parang sisiw lang sa kanya to. Siya tatakot. Bukas ba? Oh?
Jurassic 2.
Ay, bakit nakalagay yung hospitality horror? Parang na lang ang Jurassic.
Ayun no.
Siya guys, hindi ba? Iba pala. Ano guys, wala palang ano doon. Wala palang horror na nagaganap. I think sarado naman siya. Pero ito may Disneyland. May pakasal din sila dito. Kaya ito, tingnan nyo. Ako nyo. First time doon niya makakain. First time ba? Hindi nakakain ka na dati. Medyo,
I mean in this year.
this year, okay. Dahil so, this year, okay. Sarap. Tiyam. Sarap.
Mas sa British ano.
Sarap.
Tawag nila dito candy floss.
Candy floss.
Floss.
Sarap. Yum, yum. Sa mami guys, ang grabe nakakatakot, total blackout.
Guys, ganun talaga scream ko.
Oo. Yung mami kanina, yung doon, Diyos ko. Ngayon, we will try na makaride
So
naman.
guys, we're gonna ride the biggest roller coaster in
Asia.
Universal Studios.
Ayun na nga, ayan guys, hindi kami nakasakay ng Battleship Star Galactica, pero okay lang kasi baka it's God's will talaga kasi nga sobra guys, tignan nyo naman oh. Ayan. Talagang hindi ka pwedeng may palpitation dito dahil napakataas, napakagrabe. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Of the time kung anong oras kayo yung gustong pumunta para marami kayong masakyan. Kami sakto lang yung nasakyan namin, nag-enjoy din naman kami.
So guys, yung mami, nakakatakot talaga. Promise. Mukha lang siyang simple pero matakot talaga siya. But di ba naka-dead end ka na? Naka-dead end ka na. Aatras ka. At saka, punta ka sa deep pala, sorry. At saka pag pumunta ka sa deep, atras ka na naman. Kaya kung punta ka sa deep, straight. Di deep, straight.
Grabe. Wala na. Tara na, let's go guys. Close na sila. Alright, so right now guys, we are now going home, and of course the way out is to pass by this very beautiful place, the New York City. It looks like the real one. It's so beautiful and it feels like you're in New York.
near the Emperor State, the World or the Palace, and the subway. And we are now here in Hollywood. They also have Hollywood here at Universal. And of course, guys, this is how Universal logo looks like in the evening. It's super beautiful. Thank you so much, Universal. We had so much fun. And guys, if you want to buy chocolates, they have Hershey's, Reese's, and Kisses just right beside Universal Studio. Yeah, you can purchase your pasalubong here and also do your pictorial with the chocolate, what do you call this? Standees. Ayan, mga mascots. Super fun, guys. Ayan. And now we are here at Candylicious store, guys. Talaga namang tuwang-tuwa kami dito, lalo na si Felicia. She loves these candies. Marami siyang nagustuhan dito, especially the Pop Rocks. Talagang gustong-gusto niya. And of course, ang mami nyo, of course, maraming mga candies that brings back a lot of memories and nostalgic. Yung mga candies na hindi na natin nakikita, guys. They are here, kaya nakakatuwa talaga. Ayan, ang daming pagpipilian. So don't forget to drop by Candylicious store. Ayan, at ang dami rin nilang mga jelly beans and it tastes like the real fruits, guys. Sobrang sarap. Grabe.
So yan na, Hagardo na, gahap kami ng makakainan at parang close na rin yung mga kainan.
Close din na yung Starbucks.
Close na rin yung Starbucks. Close na ba? Hindi ba?
Ano lang tayo sa...
Hindi, baka nilinis lang.
And now, guys, we are back to Viva City Mall here at Food Republic. Ayan, we decided to eat na lang here kasi talagang sarado na lahat sa Universal, sa may Sentosa. So, ang sarap talaga ng mga kinain namin. I can say that Singaporean cuisine is so sarap, as in, guys.
Ang sarap talaga, promise. Walang joke. Ito yung...
Ang sarap din. Parin ko lang yung sabi nyo. Saan ka umorder niyan? Ayun.
Diyan na lang. Sabi guys, sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito. Ano yun?
Ito din guys, masarap.
Grabe, nag-iwala yung ano.
Ito guys, masarap.
Sarap.
You want to try yours? It's new.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, guys. Till our next video.